Every month end, I open the same three tabs: QuickBooks, PayPal, and my Substack dashboard. I copy numbers between them like a very tired accountant. You know this feeling, it eats your whole Sunday. Now, here is the news. On May 13th, Anthropic shipped a quiet little thing. They called it Claude for Small Business. The name makes it sound like a new pricing tier. What I mean is, it is not. The reality is much simpler. It is just a small plugin you toggle on, and then it does the late night work for you: payroll planning, month end close, and chasing your overdue invoices. Real work, boss, not chat window demos. But the surprising part is what this plugin actually replaces in your week. See, here is the part everyone agrees on. If you run a small thing, you already wear 5 hats: bookkeeper, marketer, sales, operations, customer service, all of them by yourself, mostly on a Sunday. Here is a small example. Every Monday morning, you open 4 tabs: QuickBooks for cash, PayPal for settlements, HubSpot for the pipeline, and Google Calendar for the week. Then you try to figure out the 3 things that actually matter today. That is 90 minutes gone before your first chai. This is the daily pain. Till now, AI was useful for chat work. It wrote your email, it shortened a doc, but it did not run the business. It only suggested, it did not actually do anything. That gap is what we are fixing today. Now, here is where it gets non-obvious. Think of it like this. Most AI tools today live in a chat box. You ask, it answers. It is useful for writing, but not for running an actual business. There was one big exception: Claude Code, but that one is for developers. You sit at a terminal and type commands, not for a small business owner. Then Anthropic shipped Claude Cowork. Think of Cowork like Claude Code with a normal window instead of a terminal. It runs on your laptop, it opens your tools for you. It opens your tools and clicks for you. But here is the catch. Cowork was ready. Nobody had built these small business workflows on top of it. So everyone built tutorials for solo founders and productivity nerds. Here is what just landed. Claude for Small Business is one small plugin sitting inside the Cowork app. What I mean is, you already pay for Claude Pro at $20 a month. You open the Claude desktop app, you switch to the Cowork tab, you go to /plugins/small business. You click install and toggle it on. That is the whole setup. No IT person, no developer help, no SSO setup. Now, here is the useful part. The plugin ships with 2 things together: 15 ready to run workflows and 15 reusable skills. Think of it like this. A workflow is a full job from start to end, like close the month. A skill is a small building block, like the part that matches QuickBooks to PayPal. The same skill is reused by many workflows. Smart packaging. The workflows cover 6 areas of your work: finance, operations, sales, marketing, HR, and customer service. 6 hats covered by one plugin. Now let me show you how it works. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, you connect your tools. PayPal handles your payments, QuickBooks handles payroll, HubSpot handles leads, Canva handles design, and DocuSign handles signed contracts. Each connector is one click from inside Cowork. No coding, no API keys to copy paste. In simple words, you do not need a developer for any of this. Step 2, you tell Claude what you want in plain English, something like this: I am working on April 15 payroll, pull my cash from QuickBooks, reconcile it against PayPal settlements, draft reminder emails for overdue invoices. Step 3, Claude makes a plan. It shows you the plan first. It waits for your approval before touching anything. You say go, and then it does the full job. It opens the tools, pulls the data, runs the math, writes the emails. It stops at the send button. You read, you tweak, you press send. That is the whole loop. One small detail on privacy. Every task is started by you. Your existing permissions hold. If your assistant cannot see something in QuickBooks today, Claude cannot see it either. See this in action. Let us run the Sunday night example. What I mean is, here is exactly what you would do. Open Cowork, connect QuickBooks and PayPal and paste this one prompt. Close out March for me. Reconcile my QuickBooks transactions against PayPal settlements. Flag anything that does not match and write the P and L narrative as a doc I can send to my accountant. Now watch what Claude does. Claude pulls the data and matches what it can. In Anthropic's own demo, it matched 142 out of 147 transactions cleanly. Then it flags the rest. Things like FX variance, $3.18, immaterial, or duplicate refund debit, disputed with PayPal, no P&L impact. Then it hands you a clean narrative P&L. You forward it to your accountant, Sunday saved. That is the whole month end, done in one prompt. Here is the second example, the Monday morning brief. Think of it like this. You used to open 4 tabs every Monday. That is 90 minutes gone. Replace that with this one prompt. Help me build a Monday morning brief in Slack every week. Pull my cash from QuickBooks. Pull incoming settlements from PayPal. Pull pipeline movement from HubSpot. And add what is on my Google Calendar this week. Then tell me the 3 things that need my attention today. Claude runs this every Monday at 7 a.m. It posts to a Slack channel and tags you. You open Slack with your first chai, you read one short message, you know exactly what to do today. 90 minutes turned into 90 seconds. Now the small print on a few things. 5 things to know before you toggle this on. First, the plugin itself is free. It is free if you already pay for Claude Pro. That is $20 a month, or Claude Team is $25 to $30 per seat. In simple words, no extra charge on top of what you already pay. Second, each connected tool still costs whatever the tool cost. QuickBooks is QuickBooks money. HubSpot is HubSpot money. Third, the no training default is set on team and enterprise plans. If you are on Pro alone, go to the Anthropic Trust Center and check your own setting. Fourth, Cowork is desktop only. Mac or Windows, not the web app, not mobile. So if you close your laptop, the task stops. Fifth, the approval gate is on by default. You can turn it off later after you trust the plugin. So that is the full picture. Real tool, real rules, real limits. And here is the line I want to land. So if you are part of the GenAI Unplugged audience, you already build flows in N8N. You may have wired QuickBooks to Slack yourself. That is a fair question. Is this better than what I built? Honest answer, for the same workflow, Claude for small business is faster to install and harder to customize. N8N gives you total control. The Claude plugin gives you a ready agent that owns the full loop. Here is a small example. If you run reconciliation once a month, N8N is overkill. If your reconciliation logic changes every quarter, N8N still wins. But here is the closed loop part. Remember the surprising thing I promised at the start? It is this. Claude for small business does not replace your N8N flows. It replaces you sitting on Sunday night copying numbers between tabs. The bookkeeper hat comes off, the marketing hat comes off, the ops hat comes off. You wear the hat that actually grows the business. That is the AHA. Anthropic just set a new floor, $20 a month for an agent that owns the boring loop. Anything you build now has to clear that bar.